Hi traders, as promised, I'm back with my second video on the euro dollar and pound dollar this week, as usual, after having that longer break than usual in July and August. So thank you for your patience on that. Hopefully you saw already the video of earlier this week. So we're going to do an update, of course, on these two currency pairs. My name is Chris Forsyth from Elite Currency. Before we start though, quick introduction. If you are interested in trading automatically, maybe you don't have the time or you would like to diversify your strategies, go to elitecurrency.com and then click on earn 7% per month and you'll be taken to the ZUCA page. That is a automated trading system or method that basically trades the euro dollar, and there's a very good consistency month after month. There's a positive result, and you can do a profit share or rental. So very flexible choice here. Of course, you can also just go to services, click on Forex and CFD, and then click on ZUCA as well. That's another way of doing that. Definitely recommend our EA there. Or if you're looking for more educational opportunities, SWAT, of course, my course is also recommended. Anyhow, euro dollar. We were talking about the fact that it is likely, or it's possible to make basically a retracement to the upside because of the falling wedge pattern that we saw basically during the weekend. This falling wedge pattern, the divergence between, I think, quadruple divergence between the bottoms basically. So there's a strong pattern there. So we said that we need a break below the bottom before trading it down to 115.75 or 115, and or if it breaks above the 20-day. That there's a good chance of price basically going to the long-term moving average zones. That's what happened. We had the break here, as you can see. If you use the SWAT candles, this blue candle is the one that counts as the breakout. And we basically had a retracement and continuation for about, I don't know, 60 pips, I guess, and got very close to the target. Maybe still make that small little push up to 117.75. So we have that retracement as expected based on all these items. And looking at higher time frames as well, we were looking at the fact that there could be an ABC pattern, ABC, ABC to complete A, to complete B, and now a 5-wave pattern with many waves 4 and 5s within a bigger wave C. So for this reversal to be fully completed, we do need more. We need daily candle to break above the 20 MA, preferably a SWAT candle to turn blue. We would like to see on the 4-hour chart price not only tagging the 144 MA, but really breaking above it, making a flag, bull flag pattern, and then bouncing at the 21 EMA for continuation higher. Okay, that would be the ideal situation. Or another option could be on the hourly chart, if we get an ABC pattern, that we get a head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then a bounce around 117 for upside. So to me, a daily candle, SWAT candle breakout is one. 4-hour push, pullback, flag, and continuation is another option, or this 1-hour head and shoulders after an ABC pattern to denounce it. All three are potential options on different time frames to trade this potential reversal to the upside. If that reversal does not pan out, let's say that there's a strong fall and a flag pattern, or a strong fall and break and flag pattern, then I turn back to bearish in that case with targets at 115.75 and 115. And why that? Because in that case, the wave 4 is probably not completed yet. Wave 1, 2, 3, this is looking like a wave 4, and I'm looking for a wave 5. So I'm trying to start to trade the beginning of wave 5, but if the wave 4 is still ongoing, then it could still make sense to trade a little bit with the wave 4 before catching that reversal, hopefully for wave 5 to the upside. So that's the main thing. Are we going to still trade? Am I still trading, trying to trade the wave 4 down? Or is it already time to trade the wave 5 up? Both scenarios are possible, in fact. And looking at lower time frames to see if we get a break below support for continuation and bounce, or do we get a push up right away? If price respects the 50 fib, it could easily still be a wave 4. That's okay. But if it breaks below the 50 fib, that's a warning sign. In that case, that could indicate a larger euro dollar bearish reversal, indicating more dollar strength and more euro weakness. So 50 fib very important for the euro and dollar from that point of view. All right, I think that's it. I don't have anything else to mention here. Pound USD. Yeah, I thought that it could make one more dash down to test the bottom. Or if it does make a retracement, that it could hit a resistance zone. It decided to make the retracement, bullish retracement right away, after pretty good strong momentum to the upside, and respecting the bottom right away, in fact. So not a double bottom, but we're getting a higher low, in fact, at this moment with some strong momentum. And here's strong momentum, and this is maybe looking more like an ABC pattern. So I'm going to slightly adjust and change my vision compared to last video. In last video, I was more bearish, expecting maybe rather still one more push to the 38.2 fib. And now I would say that this is more likely finishing an ABC pattern with maybe a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC. I'm leaning now more towards upside, just like the euro dollar. In fact, I have also a slight preference for some bullish scenarios if of course price action confirms that. So I think that let's take a look at the SWAT candles. If we see a blue candle pop up, that could be one way of confirming it. Of course, daily candle, blue candle could confirm the breakout. And on an hourly chart, probably the break above this trend line could confirm it too. If it does move to the downside, then a bounce maybe at the fibs could confirm. If it makes an ABC like with the euro dollar to the 50 fib or 61 or 78, those could be bouncing spots too. So I think there's more chance of a breakout or a retracement, ABC retracement, and bounce to the upside here on the pound USD for a move up to at least 137.75 or even 138.25 or even 139 for the moment. And if price breaks with a lot of momentum to the upside, then a flag, if there's a flag pattern that retests the 21 EMA, there could be another continuation higher and another bounce if we get that strong push, flag, and bounce pattern on the 4-hour chart. Anyhow, if this is confusing, more of this is explained in my SWAT course. And I still feel a little bit rusty after being out of the market and following the euro dollar pound dollar for so many weeks. I still feel that I need to get back into the swing of things, but I'm sure that a couple of weeks down the road we'll get better and better and more confident and comfortable again. But in any case, check out the ZUCA. It's one advantage is that it's fully automated. Or that SWAT course, and of course if you want to leave a review on Forex Peace Army or on the other one, Forex Peace Army and Trustpilot, that would certainly be appreciated. So big thanks for that. Anyhow, wish you great trading, and we'll be back next week with more videos and webinars, etc. All right, cheers, bye bye.